video for what I'm up to. So yeah, I've got fucking shitloads coming here now. So I've got this 240 up to where this cubicle is going to be, and we're going to have a 240 on inside the cubicle, on the outside of the cubicle, but it'll be inside of the kitchen. So there, double socket kitchen, you with me? Here. Solar wires, I've drilled up, managed to get it in here, drilled through there, that's ready to go through the roof. When it goes through the roof, just goes through there. That's that done. So this one that we were working on, that runs obviously. Now I've got a 12 volt here. This is water pump. Water pump's going to be bottom somewhere near water, bottom of the kitchen. So I've run that one in, and I've managed to run it in out conduit. So if you look here, I've actually got this. I've got a big conduit round out where conduit. So yeah, so the ones that come from the other side of the van are now in conduit that run down. So I don't know, can't remember, one of these. So I've got two of it, right, both of these for one side of the van. That's the water pump, and then oh, I've got another one here. Another one. Where does that one come from? 3. Oh right, yeah. So just run a wire to here. This is going to be the ceiling light inside the cubicle. Obviously when we open that cubicle we want a light above us, so wires running for that. I have took that wire out, I've put a new wire in, a better one, the 18 ohm, because that's the speaker wire I use. So I've run a new wire in, that's for his fan, roof fan. That's for his ceiling light in his cubicle. So yeah, I've got passenger side wall, water pump, bog light, and then we've got the actual campervan ceiling lights that are going to come out of there, big strips all the way down, and then this other 12 volt is for spotlights on the back of the van. Yeah, we've run out of wire, need to buy some more wire mate. So we're not completing that today bro, unfortunately. I need to run fucking shitloads of wire to that overhead cupboard that's going there for the switch panel. But yeah, that's where I'm at.